welcome you to the seminar.
Who called me? Oh, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
When you travel by Mumbai local for the first time. So I think the brief should involve long-term and short-term strategy.
The session was not only engaging, it was absolutely awesome and inspiring also. A very, very refreshing approach towards the way he conceives, the way Uday executes his job. I think it's a commendable job that he is doing, and especially the fact that he is approaching the people living not in big cities but smaller places, smaller towns. A person with his kind of body of work reaching out to the masses is absolutely commendable. Kudos to the entire team of Parking.
I am very happy that a senior designer like Uday is sharing his processes and methods to the young generation. It's a right time that the designers who are experienced should share their, one can say, secrets or their style of working to the young generation as much as possible. That will help bridging the gap between the young generation and the old understanding. Such workshops are a need of a time.
Born, brought up in Alibaug, especially in India, लोकांना क्रिएटिव्हिटी किंवा डिझाईन काय आहे याचं ओव्हरऑल नॉलेज नाही आहे. त्याच्यामुळे वेगवेगळ्या ब्रँड्स त्यांचे जेव्हा क्रिएटिव्ह ब्रीफ्स फॉर्म करतात ते कसे केले पाहिजेत ह्याच्यावरती एज्युकेशन होणं सुद्धा तेवढंच गरजेचं आहे जसं तुम्ही डिझायनर्सला एज्युकेट करता. देर हॅज टू बी सो मच मोर टू दिस. अबाउट उदय सर, आय हॅव बीन अ बिग फॅन ऑफ हिम सिन्स अ लॉंग टाईम. रूरल एरियाजमधली जे लोक आहेत त्यांना ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी शिकायचा खूप गरज पण आहे आणि अशा अपॉर्च्युनिटीज मिळत नाहीत. सो हा प्रोग्राम अलिबागमध्ये अरेंज केल्याबद्दल I am extremely thankful to him.
It was a different learning experience altogether. I am not from a advertising or branding or design background, but it is nice to see through the lens of a designer. Now I am a businessman, entrepreneur. So जेव्हा आम्ही कुठच्याही गोष्टी प्लॅन करत असतो किंवा कुठचाही एखादा बिझनेस व्हेंचर चालू करत असतो किंवा एखादा प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करायचा विचार करत असतो किंवा एखादी कस्टमर सर्व्हिस देतो, इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट दॅट वी ऑल्सो नो द साईड ऑफ द डिझायनर साईड ऑफ इट अँड ब्रँड, एस्पेशली ब्रँडिंग अँड मार्केटिंग साईड ऑफ इट, which can be very helpful for us going in future to expand our businesses. So it was a very fun seminar. Uday is such a gem of a person. He made us laugh. There were serious things as well.
Creativity doesn't belong to metro cities. After seeing response for Alibaug seminar, I came to know people are looking for practical work, not the theory.